So slitty. Oh, that's my Jenny. Mr. Bojangles. Jigga jigga. Jigga jigga. This box on my door.
Okay, if you can down there, I'll let you shag Abby, okay? Orange juice.
Nothing about let me.
Orange juice.
She dreams about it.
If you down that, I'll give you a number and you can start texting her. Yeah? Down it.
Who?
Down that. If you can down that, I will let you shag Abby.
What is it?
Orange juice. Shag, down it. Down it. All of it. Down it. Down it. Down it. Down it. Whoa! Yeah, warrior. That's good. You warrior. Sing it along. Down it. Okay. Why was this book so beautiful? I was the born at all. He's not fucking used to anyone. He's not fucking used to all. He ought to be published at all. He ought to be published. Bang bang. Down it. 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 Any girl.
That's strong shit.
Even a one-titted girl. If you can drink that, you can shag any girl, Silks.
Fuck off.
You can shag.
Silky, they say.
But if you can drink this, you can shag any girl.
Silky, they don't put the man up in.
If you can drink that, you can shag any.
Tell him that he's got to put a bit more dilution in that.
What's he got? More dilution. So it's more dilution.
Straight fucking gin.
I would have been quicker.
No.
I want a bit of taste. Okay, mate. Mate, okay. So, if you can down that, you can shag 3/4 of the women in the world. You can shag Annie if you drank that.
I'm going to shag Annie.
Oh, don't push it. You can shag, if you drink that, 3/4 of the women in the world. I do that with water. I dilute it with water. Yeah? Okay, if you down it outside, yeah? Down it. Down it. Down it. I'll give it a good time. Come on. Down it. Get it down, be the warrior. Get it down, be the warrior. What was it? You can't say he's no fucking used to anyone. He's no fucking used to anyone. You can't. You ought to be fucking shut up. Fucking drink it. Drink it. Fucking used to anyone. Swallow. Drink. For the first free French and two toasters. And nobody fucking loves you.
Pizza's button.
Give me this. Give me those. Give me those. Give me a cake. Give me a one. I want this milk. Shut up.
Pizza's button.
Give me this. Oh, it's pizza's button.
All right, mate.
Where are your friends?
Yeah.
Get them up.
And there's two of them.
Oh, we'll get a bird.
Where are the birds?
I showed it at the right time.
Yes, you did, honey. That's me.
So, it's alright. Drink some water. Did you feel like a man now?
Oh my God! Get down there. It's okay.